Oh, la la la, you'll never get this, you'll never get this, la la la. Oh. Hello?
Tommy boy. Hey buddy, what are you up to?
I'm just chilling.
Hey, have you checked your cooler since last weekend, that last festival we did?
No, I haven't yet.
I saw this weird guy put something in there.
Okay, I'm checking it right now. Whoa.
What did he put in there?
It says disco juice. Should I try it?
Dude, I probably wouldn't try it. You're drinking it right now, aren't you? Is it at least good?
Yeah, it's good. It's real good.
That guy looked crazy. I hope you don't get sick, dude.
Oh my God. I feel amazing.
Chilling out here with Jeff the Funk, we got a beat going on.